One person died in a bike accident on the Sabrum Agartala National Highway in front of Don Bosco School, Dojanagar, Udaipur on Thursday evening. Another seriously injured. The name of the dead youth is Biplab Shukla Das, aged 23 years. In the details of the incident, it is known that Biplab Shukla Das and Priyanka Sutradhar were in a bike bearing number TR03J8646. Biplab lost control of the bike and hit the police barricade on the side of the road. Because of this, Biplab and Priyanka were injured after falling from the bike. Firefighters rescued the injured and took them to Gumati District Hospital. The doctor on duty at Gumati District Hospital said that Biplab had multiple injuries on his head and body. After starting his treatment, he lost his life. This incident took place on Thursday evening at Sabrum Agartala National Highway in front of Don Bosco School, Dojanagar, Udaipur. On the other hand, Priyanka Sutradhar is currently undergoing treatment at Gumati District Hospital. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.